The Lubuska region is a cradle of state-of-the-art technologies. This region has been consistently strengthening its position in Poland's innovation market. It has enormous potential. The region's location is perfect. It boasts an airport and road infrastructure allowing fast access to the largest cities in the country, as well as European science centers. It has secured an increasing number of investors from high-tech industry, allowing for both the transfer of scientific research as well as innovative market solutions. This is the region where Hertz Systems has been at the forefront of business development for nearly 30 years. Hertz Systems is one of the most respected companies in the field of space technologies in Poland. It sets trends in the development and implementation of groundbreaking solutions in security systems, military-grade IT, and GPS systems. Hertz Systems employs over 200 creative specialists. Most of them are engineers with many years of experience working with government agencies, business entities, and partners dealing with technology projects all over the world. As part of permanent cooperation with the Space Research Center of the Polish Academy of Sciences and the European Space Agency, Hertz Systems employees undergo regular training sessions conducted by outstanding experts. Young professionals from all over the world flock to Hertz to do their internships and to find room to grow in the research and development department. Hertz Systems provides its employees with an optimal working environment and nourishes their development. The evolution of technology has completely changed modern battlefield strategies. Nowadays, it's especially crucial to quickly, accurately, and reliably determine the coordinates and positions of troops, or for example, perfectly guide remote-controlled missiles to their target. For years, Hertz Systems has been producing and supplying GPS receivers with the SAASM module to equip battle platforms. Solutions designed by Hertz Systems have repeatedly proven themselves in the field during the heat of battle, winning the recognition of the U.S. Department of Defense. In 2015, the company received the Euro-Atlantic Association Medal, a prestigious award for competence, contribution, and commitment to the development of Poland's defense potential. A dedicated team consisting of leading Polish engineers, programmers, and specialists in GPS navigation and military teleinformation systems worked on this multi-sensor detection and neutralization system. Upon completion, the system received the codename Hawk. Thousands of hours requiring watchmaker-like precision resulted in the creation of the world's first complete and fully automated system for detecting, monitoring, and neutralizing drones. Hertz Systems is one of the European leaders in the space industry. We participate in space programs of the European Defense Agency, the European Space Agency, and NATO. The company is also a member of the consortium building the first Polish commercial satellite, SAT-AIS-PL. Specialists and experts from uniformed services, Army, Special Forces, and the scientific world are invited to attend presentations showcasing the products created by Hertz Systems. A matter-of-fact exchange of views and experiences allows company engineers to deliver state-of-the-art, sophisticated, and reliable cutting-edge solutions to the market. Hertz Systems specialists always adapt the solution to the needs of the individual recipient. For years, Hertz Systems has been participating in the largest national and global trade fairs devoted to issues of security and military systems, such as Intersec in Dubai and Eurosatori in Paris. Products like the anti-drone system Hawk or the military platform receiver HGPST POLLUX enjoy great interest whenever and wherever they are presented. Hertz Systems technologies have been repeatedly recognized with prestigious awards, including the Defender Entrepreneurs of the Defense Industry, the Business Innovation Award, and the Polish Intelligent Development Award. Poland's Hertz Systems is a market leader in space technologies used to build security and locator systems. For 3 decades, it has been setting the trends in the development and implementation of innovative and unique solutions. The valuable experience gained from both military and space projects is used by Hertz Systems to create and adapt a range of various solutions to the civilian market. As a result, the company's state-of-the-art, cutting-edge technology helps people around the world every day. Thanks to the highest quality, uncompromising standards, and a dedicated team of creative specialists, for this company from Zielona Góra, there are no limits.